What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, I'm so excited to talk about Tesla stock. Guys, look at this beautiful candle today. And I'm smiling to myself right when I'm starting this video because I'm just so excited. I was just talking about the massive profits that I'm in on my dividend portfolio. I did an update on this today. So I bought more of UMAX, but I also talked about YTSL, that is the Tesla ETF that I have bought in my this Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. And I'm loving the moves on it. And again, I'm taking all the moves technically on this portfolio as well. If you want to know more about it, check this channel out and subscribe to this channel as well, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel, if you are interested. Guys, you can find the link to this channel in the description of this video. Alrighty guys, let's come back to Tesla here. Look at this awesome, massive candle. Happiness is unstoppable as well right now. It's light speed. Tesla is going light speed, guys. Support at 20 days moving average has been constantly giving us that move. I have been talking about that, guys, since the time we got this retest of 20 days moving average down here at 171. That pivot is forming in the uptrend cycle, and if any position needs to be taken, can be taken over here with the stop loss on the other side. And if you have done that, like this is where I bought that YTSL ETF, talking about it on my channel, that the reasons I'm buying YTSL ETF here, which pays dividends, and that's why that channel is my dividend channel. But I mean, I have my position on the active trading side as well on Tesla that I have been talking about. Again, and I'm loving the move in the money already on Tesla stock as well. And, this move has worked out great, and stop loss has to be, below this 50 days moving average or somewhere there with this pivot as it was forming. Now is the time to start taking partial profits out. Not saying just completely get out, no, because this move is just not the move that, in my opinion, gonna end over here. This has a lot more room to go higher, because as I'll go over this video, through this video, you will get to know everything. Look at the strong volume that has also come. Now, this is looking, guys, awesome. This move is not gonna end soon, in my opinion. And yep, super bullish right now. I know I have not been showing this data for quite some time because there wasn't much important being happening. That's the short volume data. But now we have something as a really cruncher to take a look at as well, and that is that I want to draw your attention towards this 41. This is the short volume percent data. 41% short volume that came on these days around back here when we were testing that pullback support, and then we started to get a lot more short volume down here. And once the structure failed to break in the benefit of the short sellers with 41.2 short percent, and this is where I started talking about, guys, this is where you can see a lot of traders tried shorting Tesla over here in the media and everywhere. They were saying they're shorting, and that's where you can see this high short volume percent coming in. But I kept saying that, guys, we are still above 20 days moving average. This is a weak structure, and yes, but we are not fully bearish because it's a 50-50. Tesla bulls can, if they can still hold here, because 160, what we were forming was inverted head and shoulder pattern over here until 160. So bulls still had control around 50 to 50% plus. And we got that squeeze back to the upside, and now all these short sellers are also covering. So, and that's a good squeeze that we got today. But more on that, let's talk about that once I turn this off. Display short volume percent. And guys, I want to show you my day trading bot as well real quick first. Look at the awesome move today. Awesome move, guys. Money, money, money. Look at it, Tesla is still going up. I'm loving it. 187 already. My swing bot has also given a buy position some time ago. That's also in profit. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video, guys. I'm just showing you Tesla here. Today's buy position, good profits. We are also net profitable on the last 30 trades. There will be red days as well, guys, okay? And I mean, I'm happy with however my bots are performing. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video, okay? So that's a little bit of high level I want to just talk about. Now let's jump into the technicals more in depth. So let me turn off the day trading bot. Here we go. So, all right, you already know that I already talked about that, guys. We were holding that pivot and Tesla is looking bullish. We are above 20 days moving average. 20 days is above 50 days moving average. And $175 level was the one I was saying that, guys, today, if we can get above 175, get prepared, you buckle up, and because that's where we wanted to hold this pivot, right? This particular pivot, and we got that 175 is the structural change shift that we wanted to continue to see to the upside to hold this pivot, right? And keep the structure more into the bullish territory. Now bulls are like pretty all in control, full control here, right? So if you have seen my yesterday video, I said, guys, watch the 200 hours moving average and break above 175. If we get that, prepare for the massive upside. We got that massive upside. I have some news as well to talk about on Tesla. I'll do that in just a second. Not a single hour of sell-off candle, guys. Boom, 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 everything to the moon, right? And there was another level we were talking about. Let me actually first adjust real quick something on my indicator here. There was one more level I was talking about, that is this level of pretty much, this was that, guys, if we lose 173 and 63 cents to the downside when the market opens, some weakness may come. We never went that direction, and 175, we broke that to the upside in the bullish scenario and then got above. Even if by mistake, let's say you take a short position, your stop loss should be at 175. Why so? Because that's where the structure changes, right? The significant level. So, and then you flip the position. But anyways, that downside never came in the confirmation, straight going up. Guys, 187 and 40 cents, loving it. So, and Tesla has been, guys, going full on bullish. This was the next level of acting supply resistance for so long, for more than a week, 178 and 180. This is where I wanted Tesla to fully get out of. Tesla did show some resistance for a small amount of time. Let's go to the 5 minutes. You can see in that red box of hours, it showed some resistance, but then it says, see ya, boom, 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 to the moon. We went straight up there, guys. We went straight up. And I mean, you can see that on my day trading bot as well. I mean, I can show you again, but look at the great positive, profitable moves. Amazing, 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 amazing. Bot is able to even make money when things are falling, but it's not profitable. Like yesterday, it was still able to get out in the profitable position. So all good. But anyways, you already know where to get the tools in the description below of this video. And right, so what am I seeing? Junior trader, what else are you seeing now? Are we gonna continue higher? Well, guys, in my opinion, we will. Yes, Tesla is full on in the bullish structure. Any pullback at 185, that's the next level. I talked about that. Watch the next level after 180 is the $185 range. That's the next significant level. We got there. We even got out of that, right? That's awesome. So Tesla has gotten out of all these strong resistances that I was talking about, right? That's awesome. Tesla has also gotten out of the next resistance level. Bears and short sellers are in pain. They are in pain, guys. They're in pain. We are bulls in the money, super money. All right, so yeah, any pullback to 184 at this point is just a pullback. There is no structure change on Tesla from here we are. Even if Tesla comes down to 180, that will still keep the structure on Tesla bullish. And we are in the bullish territory. And I'll show you on the weekly interval in just a second, because that's where the awesome position things are looking like. In just a second. Guys, this time I guess we will get out of this overhead resistance channel that Tesla has been in for weeks, months now. And that opens up the door to coming back up to 200 days moving average, which is at 214, give or take 210 somewhere, right? At least $203 as well. Well, I'm already sizing out slowly and slowly in profits, right? And well, let me show you. Yeah, swing bot, I don't know if it has already given some size out positions, but I'll let you check if you already have access to my tools. All right. Yeah, and let's go to the weekly interval actually, because that's where I want to show you something more. So you can see Tesla has been in this downward channel, right, for months now. However, and I haven't forgotten that I have to go through the news as well. There's a couple of news. And you can see Tesla is above 20 weeks moving average now. 20 weeks moving average. Now, how about 50 weeks moving average? Now, 50 weeks moving average. 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 Now, Inverted head and shoulder is full on in the play. And guys, with this, I think once we get out of this channel now to the upside, I think we can start going into the $200 range on Tesla soon. Again, that's just my opinion, but the only strong next resistance I'm seeing is at that $202 range, this area. That's the next strong resistance that I'm seeing. Yeah, but we are in the good formation already of inverted head and shoulder. Let's say if we continue higher but reject at $202, at that point I would expect pullback on this on weekly interval are gonna be getting bought back up. On the weekly time frame for the long term, Tesla has changed the trajectory to the upside in my opinion. If structure breaks on this, I'll talk about that. Right now I'm not seeing any signs of that structure break. Okay, we are in the full on money mode here, full on bullish mode, guys. All right, loving it. So let's go actually on to this news as well that I want to talk about. So PepsiCo unit to add Tesla, Ford, and Ford vehicles to California electric powered fleet. So that's a good positive, news on that. And yeah, whatever position I have on Tesla in my swing portfolio, in my long-term portfolio, I'm planning to hold it, guys. Tesla has been my best investment after getting out of NEO, for the reasons that I was moving my capital into Tesla from NEO because Tesla was, oh sorry, NEO was dead money for me, and but yeah, Tesla has just given me whatever I have lost on NEO, I have gotten back on Tesla already from a long-term position. NEO, I wasn't trading much. I was doing some swing long time ago, though, more than a year ago, I think. But then I just got into that some of that long-term position that I had on NEO. I started selling out, even in the losses, but in the spikes I would sell out. But all that money has been recouped in Tesla, and I'm loving it, guys. So it's all about portfolio management. Don't marry the stocks. Be prepared to change with the market, evolve with the market. It's all about money management, portfolio management. And don't get married to anything. Don't get stubborn on your one opinion. It doesn't help. Only you are hurting yourself with that. Okay, you have to be agile to adapt yourself with the changing market conditions as well. All right, so yes, I expect Tesla to give us some more upside. In my opinion, this trend is direction is still to the upside. We have a pivot support at 180, and that is just going to keep it as in an uptrend. I don't know if pullback is going to come or we're just going to straight going up, but we are in the uptrend as in the structure. All in all, swing or intraday, everything. All right, guys, well, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.